90 miles outside.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Hello?
Hello?
Are, are you from Philippines?
No. Okay, yes, why?
Oh, wow.
Pogi nito.
You don't speak Tagalog?
No.
But-
I don't know how to.
Oh, you're kidding me.
No, I really don't speak Tagalog.
Oh, where are you from?
Ang kulit!
No, I'm from the Philippines, but I don't speak Tagalog. I don't know any.
Oh, really?
Words.
For how long?
Yeah. My whole life. It's just my family is not really Filipino.
Oh, what are you?
So,